Using graphite conductive paint, we coat the surface evenly, ensuring it's ready for electroplating. We carefully dip it into the copper solution, making sure it's fully submerged. Next, we adjust the current to the optimal setting, allowing the electroplating process to begin. After 6 hours of electroplating, our 3D printed PLA is now fully coated and copper ready. With the electroplating complete, the next step is rinsing the pendant to remove any remaining copper solution. To prevent any residue from affecting the final look. After a bit of polishing, our 3D printed piece has transformed into a stunning piece of art. The details come to life, highlighting the intricate design of this unique artwork. Now, let's take this 3D printed copper masterpiece to the next level. We're going to add a second layer of metal, nickel plating. But first, we need to mask off certain areas to protect them. For this process, I'm using regular nail polish as a masking material. It's easy to apply, and it creates a perfect barrier to keep the nickel from plating onto the copper. I carefully paint the nail polish onto the areas I want to remain copper. The key here is precision. Take your time to make clean edges and cover all the spots you don't want plated. Once the nail polish is dry, it will form a protective shield over the copper. This allows the nickel to only adhere to the exposed sections. Here we go, carefully submerging the pendant into the nickel bath. This is where the magic happens. The nickel will bond with the copper surface, adding a beautiful, reflective shine and extra durability. As the pendant sinks into the solution, you can already see the reaction taking place. The electroplating process starts immediately, with the nickel gradually coating the entire surface, giving it that stunning metallic sheen. Watch closely as the copper underlayer begins to shine through, turning into this beautiful silver-like finish. The nickel plating not only enhances the aesthetic, but also strengthens the 3D print, making it more resistant. Over the next few minutes, the nickel continues to build up. Now, take a look at this finished piece, perfectly plated and ready to shine in any light. The combination of 3D printing and electroplating brings a whole new dimension to your creations.